Have you ever been in a situation where negotiating felt stressful, like trying to find the perfect balance between what you want and what the other side is asking for? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll explore how AI can be your secret weapon in negotiations. Whether you are in a boardroom, asking for a raise, or negotiating in everyday life, today's topic is all about using the Negotiator, a generative AI tool to help you get better results. In this video, we'll explore what the Negotiator can do and walk through real-life scenarios where you can use this tool to strengthen your position, understand your counterpart better, and ultimately make smarter decisions. Stick around because I'll be showing you specific prompts you can use to get the most out of this tool in different negotiation situations. Ready, set, go! Let's see how the Negotiator works in practice. I'm going to show you 3 common scenarios with specific prompts you can use to get the best negotiation advice. Imagine a scenario where you're negotiating a business contract with a client who wants to lower the price, but you need to maintain your profit margins. Here's the prompt to use. In this scenario, the negotiator can generate a strategy that highlights the value you provide and suggests creative solutions. Now, suppose you're asking for a raise during your performance review and you want to make sure your case is solid. Here's a suggested prompt. Here, the negotiator can generate a compelling case by looking at performance metrics and recent achievements, helping you make a data-driven argument. Again, you're in a disagreement with a colleague over project responsibilities, and you need to find a fair compromise. Here's how the negotiator can help. In conflict resolution, the negotiator can offer strategies for finding common ground, guiding you on how to approach the conversation with empathy and logic to reach a mutually beneficial outcome. As you can see, these specific prompts give the negotiator all the context it needs to offer actionable, personalized advice that fits your situation. This isn't just theoretical, it's a practical way to elevate your negotiation skills with AI insights. To recap, the Negotiator is a versatile tool that can help you with business deals, salary negotiations, and even resolving conflicts at work or in your personal life. All you need to do is ask the right questions, and it gives you detailed strategies and insights to strengthen your negotiation skills. Thank you for sticking with me through this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another video. I'll be sharing more insights into AI tools like this one that can help you thrive both in business and life. See you in the next video. Ciao!